The Plaza de Toros at Tijuana lies quietly in the afternoon sun. Modern-day conquistadores prepare their conquest against the rugged obstacles of the lower California peninsula. Their metal steeds are in 4 classes: stock cars, dune buggies, 4-wheel drive vehicles, and motorcycles.
Hello and welcome to Model Restorations. Today we're taking a look at 6 model kits AMT back in 1969. Thanks to David Danglis for, I hope that I pronounced that right, David, for mentioning these kits. I'd seen 1 or 2 of them before, but I didn't actually know there were 6 model in the series, sorry. They never actually named this series. They're all kind of a desert theme, cartoon theme. What's interesting too is most of them were scrapped after this. The 62 Galaxie and 59 Buick, this was the last kit that they ever produced of these 2 cars. So during this time that AMT released these, the Baja 1000 was just getting started. They had been running the Mexican 1000, but then they renamed it the Baja 1000. And so it was super popular at the time. And they did have a stock class division in the Baja 1000. And they basically took a stock car that anybody could go out and buy and modified it a little bit to be a little more beefy. And they raced it. Let's get started and take a look at the Caliente Bandito first. Caliente is hot, and then Bandito is bandit. Now, I'm not sure if they're talking about a hot bandit as in he's hot and sweating, or this guy's hot and he's a bandit. So next we have the Turista Turismo. So Turista is tourist, Turismo is touring. The driver and the guy sitting next to him are both looking at the sign, probably wondering what the hell were we thinking. So next we have the Mexicali Mudlark. So Mexicali was capital of the state of Baja California in Mexico, not California. And then Mudlark was typically, it is a bird, but they don't actually have any in Mexico. So I believe what they're talking about here is describe vehicles or events that involve navigating through muddy terrain. So next we have the Boondock Bomber. So Boondock is remote rural area, and then Bomber, of course, for vehicle is an old beat up vehicle. Next we have El-Ranchero Grande. So Ranchero typically is a rancher or works on a ranch, and then Grande, of course, is large. And this is the 62 Ford Falcon Ranchero. And lastly, we have Tequila Mockingbird. I think we all know what tequila is. And then Mockingbird is a bird, but it also represents innocence, which is, I would have never connected the two, but that's what it means. So this one we've got looks like a 63 T-Bird. I think these guys are the happiest out of all of them are. And they're probably drinking some tequila. And they're just having a blast. The decals on these are all the same for every kit. They all have a saying of "What me hurry." If you have any ideas for any oddball or weird kits you'd like to see, let me know down in the comments, and I'll see what I can do.